Hi there, my name is Mohammad Abbas and welcome to Computer Tech Skill. Today we are going to learn about the fourth class of Microsoft of PowerPoint for beginners. In this class we are going to learn about illustrations, links, comments and header and footer. So without any further ado, let's get started. So we have got 4 of the slides present there. So what we need to do is to go for shapes, and inside shapes you can use any sort of shape you want. If I may take this shape, now I have taken the shape. So the moment I bring the shape, sort of a format box pops up, or sort of tab pops up, in which you must have more of the options like changing the color and changing that to sort of effects and applying reflections and converting that to bevel or applying bevels in more of the styles. This is something I have taught you in the previous tutorial. Let's try to go back for insert. Well, if you want to go back one step or two steps back, you need to hold the control or the command button on keyboard and press that button in order to be going one step back. So shapes are something that are so much easy and I have taught you many times. So let's try to use the action buttons that are present there. So let's try to take this one, back or previous, action button, back or previous. Take that and drag that and put it there. Hit OK. And let's try to bring another one. Take this one, which is known as action button, forward or next. Take that and drag it there and put it there. Hit OK. What I want to make you understand about is that how does the action button work like. What we need to do is to go for transitions and apply any sort of transition in order to make you just understand. Go for apply to all. This is something is not what I want to teach you. This is something that is related to action button. So go for slideshow from beginning. Well, now we have got 2 of the action button. So the moment I click there, it will be making me go for the next slide. Hope you are getting the idea. So this is what is related to that. If I click on that from beginning, if I go for this one, this will be making me go for the previous slide. So let's try to go back for insert tab. If you want to get rid of that or delete that, select that, press the delete button on keyboard. This will be deleting. So we have got the next option, which is known as a smart art. Try to click on anyone you like, but I personally want to click on this. Hit OK. Now this is being converted to sort of smart art. So what I need to understand is that to type something there like class 5 6, what I need to make you understand is to select at the corner of this sort of box and go for design, and we've got change color there. You can change its color according to your wish. And we have got smart art styles. Go for this and apply anyone you want, anyone you like. See, that works. And you can furthermore change its style, right to left, left to right, or right to left. Go for insert back. If you want to get rid of that or delete that, click at the corner of that and press delete button. And we have got similarly the chart, which I have taught you in the previous tutorials of MS Excel classes or MS Word classes. So let me repeat that for you. Try to search or try to type the data there. Go for the next one. Or I may change its design to simple one. This time I have to go for smart art because this was not looking that way. Now I have got this so much clearly. Drag this box there and type some of the names. Well, you must observe that I have typed 5 of the names which are also coming there. You can observe that. And the subject that are present there like English, bio and history, that that must consist sort of color there. Like English consists of blue color and the bio is of orange color, and similarly that is having sort of specific color. So now you can see that sort of graph is there which you can understand and you can utilize according to your wish, according to your use. We've got further more options inside that. If I click on this chart and go for design, we've got chart style there. Click on that and change its style, and you can also change its color. You can also change that furthermore like layout 5. See, that works. That completely depends upon your wish or your need. See, that works. Change chart style, which is the same thing almost. Let me try that. See, that works. Let me go back for format, and inside format you can change the color you want. Let's try to go back for insert and try to delete that. Let's try to go for the first slide and select the text I have typed and go for hyperlink and try to make the link of any sort of thing. Like I want to make the link of this VLC media player, hit OK. So now this is converted to sort of link. If I want to open that, I have to be going for clicking right click of the mouse and opening or open hyperlink. Yes, OK. Now you must observe that this has been opened. So that is the way that the things are working like. You can similarly comment on any of the word on any of the paragraph like I have commented. See, that works. Next and previous comment, so you can also utilize the comments. And let me make you understand about text box. If you select that or click on that and drag it and put it there, and you can similarly type anything you want. You can select that and go for format, try to change its color, shape, outline and so more. Even you can convert that to sort of bevel, glue, reflection, bevel. So that is how the things are working like. And similarly you can apply color, and even you can change that to sort of style like that. Go for insert, delete that out, and we've got the next option which is known as header and footer. Click on that, try to check on all of these: date and time, slide number, footer. Go for notes and handouts, date and time, header and footer, header and footer. Type something like start, footer, end. Apply to all. You must observe that we have got the date there, 3/24 and 2025. We have got the footer there, we have got a slide number there which is also known as page number. However, we cannot say that it is page number, this is slide number. because page number is present inside MS Word. I hope you have enjoyed the tutorial in which we have learned about illustrations, chart, links, comments, header and footer. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, please give a thumbs up, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye bye for now.